This Slimming World macaroni cheese recipe is creamy, gooey and delicious. It's also tasty, tummy-filling comfort food. Start off by boiling the pasta until cooked to your liking. Meanwhile, fry the vegetables in a little low-calorie cooking spray for a few minutes and add to the drained macaroni. Whisk the mustard, stock, eggs and cottage cheese together. Add the tomato puree and mix into the pasta with 3/4 of the cheddar cheese. Sprinkle over the remaining cheese and bake in a hot oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until bubbling and golden. Serve with a large salad or lots of veggies. Nothing is off the menu at Slimming World. You can find more hearty and delicious meals online at slimmingworld.co.uk.